Community building explores the development of public spaces by designing with, instead of for, the community, and for the long term. The proposal is a gentle but efficient refurbishment and landscaping of the old bathing pool site in St Leonard's, which contained a historic Olympic-sized pool that was enjoyed by many before it was demolished in the 80s. Today, the site is earmarked for a widely disliked development after being left unkept and underfunded for decades due to poor political decisions and economic divestment in the area. The proposal integrates workshops and a coastal mixed-use community complex that brings leisure and small local productions together. This encourages unexpected interactions between visitors and locals, as well as regenerating the site into a charming new destination. The proposal was developed with the support of comments and discussions with local community members through a collaborative design methodology. The methods ranged from open interviews to a more detailed critical communicative design exercise using non-architectural artifacts. The approach invites individuals from the rich variety of grassroots community groups in St Leonard's to co-design the workshops and market spaces. The steps in the co-design method involve an initial discussion about the group's cultures and activities, collectively translating these into symbols, using the symbols to think about their activities within a given space, and finally, translating this into a final design. A variety of configurations can be created. Meanwhile, the construction strategy creates the illusion of an established building by appropriating an adaptable warehouse structure with elements inspired by the local architecture. By adopting this strategy, the structure can be modified for different uses and changed according to future needs instead of being demolished. This is coupled with a sustainability strategy to recycle local waste into building materials, which can be continuously upcycled and reused as the structure changes over time. The overall ambition is that this community space is able to organically grow and adapt as St Leonard's develops. The proposal is a catalyst for a deep diversity of people, cultures and activities, empowering local production and wider networks. This, alongside with the destination appeal of the site, has the potential to kickstart tourism and make a much-needed economic improvement to St Leonard's. As a result, this becomes more than a community pool and becomes a community building. Thanks to St Leonard's locals who contributed to this interesting project, there is value in making architectural design more collaborative, both in process and outcome.